Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove filler words from your videos. So I have a lot of uhs and whatnot. I make a lot of mistakes, so I'm gonna show you the updated way. I see a lot of videos with the outdated way, so I thought I would make a video. So just follow my lead. So first thing you want to do is you want to highlight the video. Oh, what happened? Yeah, you want to highlight the video and then you want to hover to transcript. You're gonna see this transcript. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna generate you a transcript of your video. And once this is done loading, we will move on to the next step. This is a brand new account. If you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, that would be great. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this right here, and then you see that you have 34 filler words identified. So you could just hit remove and it's basically going to edit out all those parts for you. So, and then obviously you're gonna have to do a little manual checking to make sure that it didn't make too much mistakes, because it's not perfect, so you're gonna have to give a little human touch. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.